Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I went ahead and used the Hocus Pocus palette Gather Round Sisters from Colourpop. Super excited that I own this, I'm not gonna lie. I wanted it so bad last year and then it sold out, so when they re-released it this year, I snagged it so fast. So this is what the inside of the palette looks like. I think it is just so pretty. Like, I really love this palette. I'm probably gonna use it so much this fall. Just super excited that I have this. So I did get this like really pretty dress off of Shein. You can't really see it. I'll see if I can like insert a picture. I'm in a chair, so but yeah, it is so pretty. Very like witchy vibes whenever I'm all dressed up with my boots and everything on. So today we're actually doing our family photos, so that's why I got this dress and I'm super excited. We don't have any like nice family photos, so I'm really excited to go do this. Why is my camera not focusing? I don't think I'll be able to insert a picture of like the outfit in this video just because we're having our pictures done today. But I will go ahead and try and get them in the next one. But before we jump in, I want to talk about one more thing really quickly that I'm super excited about. I got this on Amazon and it's from Kiss. It is their eyeliner lash glue. It looks like eyeliner, but whenever you put on, like, I did my outer wing first and then filled in. So after I did my eyeliner, I literally just sat my eyelash on top of it and it just stayed. It was so easy. I am so happy it is like on there, so I'm not worried about it coming off or anything. I got it on Amazon. It was like $7. I would definitely try it out if you wear a lot of eyeliner and eyelashes. It just made it so much easier. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and just jump in today's video. If you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so that was it. What do you think? Do you think you're gonna pick up this palette if they still have it? I know I saw some at our local Ulta the other day, so you might check Ulta if they don't have them online. I am so happy that I have this palette. I've been drinking coffee all morning, so my voice is like cutting in and out. I do apologize, I've been gone the past couple days. I have had a lot going on. I had a couple photo shoots pop up that I wasn't planning for, so I had to get those edited. I'm trying to finish up another photo shoot that I did last weekend, and then I've also been doing my hair, so you can see this is one of my old dreadlocks. You see how thick it is? This is one of my new ones. Look at the difference there. I'm gonna go ahead and just end this video here. I've got a lot of stuff to do today before we go take our pictures. So yeah, I'll probably just do like a little touch up when it's time for my makeup. If you enjoy the video, be sure to like and subscribe so you can see future videos I'll be posting multiple times a week here on my channel, at least 2 to 3. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.